Number 13, in the diagram below of square cache, diagonals AH and CS intersected Z. Which statement is true? So the big thing with squares is you have to remember that they are made up of 4 right angles. But the nice thing with a square is that the diagonals bisect the angles. So this angle is going to be 45, this angle is going to be 45, this angle is going to be 45, this angle is going to be 45. All those little pieces are going to be 45 degrees. Now, the reason why I'm doing that is because if we look at our answer choices, they're about angle comparison. So if I look at choice 1, it's saying that the measure of angle ACZ is greater than the angle ZCH. So if I put my finger on A, go to C, and at Z, then I can see that this is going to be at ZCH. Well, those are both 45, and 45 is not bigger than 45. It's equal to 45. Now if I look at ACZ, ACZ is 45, and now ASZ, wait a second, that's also 45, so that's not going to work either. Now, one thing I could do is also sort of label the inner angles. Well, if we look, 45 and 45 give us 90, and we know in a triangle there's 180 degrees, so if I do 180 minus 90, that's 90. So all of these inner angles are going to be 90 degrees as well. Now, if I look at choice 3, it says AZC, AZC. So I go to A, go to Z, and at C, I have a 90-degree angle. And now that one's saying, is it equal to SHC? So SHC. That is true because that's a 90-degree angle. So it is going to be choice 3. Now, if I look, it says AZC. I have a 90, and we're saying that's equal to ZCH, which is a 45-degree angle. So it has to be choice number 3, because that's the only one where the statement is true.